they're actually pretty nice. Cushion. The only thing I don't like is the smell. Does have some backs. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the VEVOR seat cover. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We got seat covers, model SCU056SK, color black, 13 pieces. Alright, made in China. I do have to say they're actually pretty nice. I don't know how long this material is going to last, but it's actually pretty nice. Seems like everything is inside this seat cushion. The only thing I don't like is the smell. To tell you guys the truth, it does stink. I'm pretty sure that smell will go away. We have another piece here, maybe for the back seat. Here's the other side of the back seat. Looks like the back seats, and it just goes over. It covers the back, and this is another backrest or captain chairs. Some clips here, and then we do have some instructions. Pretty clean, actually, not that bad. We just have, it's actually not dirty. It's pretty clean. Having a seat cover, it's always a plus, because you're protecting the seats, especially on a truck like this that it's actually taller. This part right here is the part where you slide out. You tend to slide out when you get out, and you tend to wear this part out more. So alright, so this part, it does have zippers right here, so that's just gonna make it easier to zip it on and zip it off. You're gonna tuck those circles on the seat. Alright, you're gonna take the bottom piece, this piece. It does have some nice clips on the side. You do have these. Obviously, you're gonna be able to, put these together with the ones on the back, or put this in like that, and then just run the clips on the bottom. Get the clips right here. So all I have to do is just clip them onto here, or just clip it to the bottom. One of these hooks. One of those bars, or so the other one broke on this flap here. Actually, this flap here, that's where it broke. So, but like I said, this is the part where you slide off the truck into the ground. You tend to slide because the truck is just lifted. All right, we got final product. That's what they look like. I have to say the quality is okay. There's certain parts on this seat that kind of bubbled. I'm pretty sure it'll settle down. So you guys just see it bubbles a little bit. This one is okay. It's actually getting better. It bubbled when I first put it on, but it's actually pretty good. It does have some back support. I really like that, and some more cushion here on the bottom. Nice. These tend to bubble up a little bit on the top. So you guys do see right here, this part. Same thing with the driver's side. But overall, pretty decent. Now this is a single cab truck. Definitely check it out, guys. It does smell like rubber, so keep that in mind. Alright, so I've been using these for about 2 weeks already straight. The smell did go away. You do have to let it air out. You do get some nice padding on the bottom. It does give you a little bit of boost, or a little bit of lift. And then nice padding on the backrest, kind of on the lumbar support area. Really comfortable. I do gotta say, I'm very surprised about the quality on these. I thought they weren't gonna be this good. Big shout out to VEVOR for sending us this, and they are not paying us for this review. They're just sending us the item. The link's down below in the description section of this video. And another thing to note is that the back seats I did not test, or the back seat covers I did not test, because this is a single cab truck. I did see that they come together with Velcro, so just keep that in mind when you're purchasing these for the back seats as well. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.